All right, so here's a quick tour of the Marsh Lake 2018 Zipline. Had to shorten the cable, got it strapped to the tree here. We come along and just a ratchet strap around there a couple times, not doing any damage to the tree. Here we've got a brake, it's just a carabiner on the cable, and that is on 4 layers thick of this bungee material, staked to the ground. See it in action. Pretty good little slow down. Less bouncing, less bouncing. Up through the trees here, we didn't cut any limbs or anything like that. There's a spot for the little kids to get on. Less bouncing, no more boat. Because it puts more stress on the line, you're gonna break something. Okay, until I leave. It's up there as high as we could get it. We may move it up a little higher later. And then we've got the stairs and the platform that's just leaning against the tree. Carved it out a little with a chainsaw there.
It's super scary.
Let me just see one more thing real quick.
Like 100.
And then here is the Amazon trolley. Got this on Amazon for about 40 bucks. And it seems to be holding up pretty good. All right, well, that's that.